There were 681 locally acquired cases of COVID-19 reported in the 24 hours till 8 p.m. last night. There were 3 overseas cases also reported to 8 p.m. last night. As the Premier said, we had almost 120,000 tests done until 8 p.m. last night, and again a big thank you to the people of New South Wales for heeding that message around coming forward for testing very promptly if you have even the mildest of symptoms. In hospital, there are currently 474 cases. 82 of those cases are in intensive care and 25 cases are currently requiring ventilation. Of the 82 cases who are in ICU, 71 are not vaccinated. Sadly, New South Wales Health has been notified of the death of one person who had COVID-19 till 8 p.m. last night, and that is a man in his 80s from southeastern Sydney. He died at St George Hospital. He had received 1 dose of vaccine and was also being treated for another serious medical condition. And as the Premier has extended her sympathies, I'd also like to extend my sympathies on behalf of New South Wales Health to the family of that man who passed away. This brings the number of COVID-related deaths in the pandemic to 117 so far, and 61 deaths since June 16th. I'd like to provide a bit more of an update around the situation in Western New South Wales, which, as the Premier said, is deeply concerning to us. There have been 25 new cases of COVID-19 reported till 8 p.m. last night in Western New South Wales, and that brings the total in the local health district to 167. We do ask all the people, all the population of Western New South Wales to really be very vigilant for symptoms, to come forward for testing, as I know that many people have already done, and please take up any opportunity to get vaccinated as soon as you can. We are concerned about 3 cases overnight notified in Wilcannia. Those cases are going to be included in tomorrow's numbers. And we are very concerned about the risk of community transmission in Wilcannia, and we call on anyone who has been in or near Wilcannia in recent days to please get tested. In the Hunter, New England area, there are 5 cases, and bringing the total cases in the LHD to 150 since early August. I'm pleased that all 5 of those cases in Hunter, New England are linked, which is good news. In terms of sewage detections, we have had sewage detections in a couple of areas where there are no known cases currently, and that is in Foster, in Battow Bay, and also in Yamba. So I do encourage the populations of those areas to please come forward for testing as soon as you can. Thank you.